Union LA. It's a collab from Nike with Union LA.
Wow. Ano yan? Ang cute.
Nike Cortez.
Oy, pink. Parang pambabae.
Pwede, gusto mo?
Ano size niyan?
Size 9 yan.
Nine? Walang pambaba. Walang size ng pambabae.
Pwede. Kung gusto mo. Oh, I don't know.
I like that. That's nice.
Your maybe what?
Eight.
6.5 quantity.
Or 7.
Men's size.
Yeah, 7. Or 6.5, yeah.
Yan ang Cortez.
Easy.
That's an extra shoelace.
Oh, yellow and white?
Is that white? Kind of.
Yeah, it's white.
No, it's not.
Oh, gray? I don't know. Dirty white?
Union LA.
Ba't ganyan yung ano niya? Cute. Ano yung sa loob? Let me see. Parang kahoy?
Yeah, but it's a foam.
Ah. Okay. That's nice.
And
No space for that anymore.
I have to take this off.
Oh, that's Nikolai's shoes.
Nikolai shoes.
Right there.
This one goes there.
You go put it there. And that one, no, put it inside. Dun sa may mga empty. Okay. That's all his collections. And another 3, 4, 5 coming soon. I don't think so. Okay, say bye.
Babush. Bye.
Thank you for watching, friends. Like and subscribe.